I've used several different companies like Harvest. I'm sure everybody's heard of them, and their system is a lot more complicated, a lot more expensive too. This system seemed to be pretty easy to do. We were able to learn how to do it within 5 minutes. I actually did an injection on myself today with it. Less pain with this PRP. I've had PRP injections before. This one was less painful because it had less anticoagulant in it, which is nice. And it's a good selling point for the patient too. The Facebook marketing was really the crucial aspect of it. I mean, we got about 120 people answer to our RSVP, 80 confirmed, a little over 60 show up. Of that 60, we had about 24 appointments that are actually scheduled on the books, and several that are going to call us for these appointments. Most people, they were lining up after the lecture to sign up to get more information to come in and do the consults.